Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be going through the pros and cons of every one of these sauces to give you guys the best one that you should be using. You're not going to want to miss this video, so check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, so before we go into the video, I just want to show you guys this shirt right here. This is one of the custom shirts that I have been designing. I have my own store on Etsy now. It's called Kicks Crib. If you go to kickscrib.com, you can go see all of my designs that I've made. A lot of these are to match different types of Jordans, Yeezys, stuff like that. Go check it out. This is the off-white one I did for the UNC off-white ones. Go check it out if you like it, guys. You can go get it. I'm running a sale right now, 20% off. Go check it out right now, and if you have any other ideas for shirt designs that you want to see, drop them in the comments. Also, the person who has the best idea of another shirt and gets the most likes on their comment, I will send out a free shirt to you. So make sure you comment down below and get a bunch of your friends to like it, because the #1 comment that has the most likes about a shirt design will get a free shirt. Alright, so now let's get into the video. Alright, so the first one we're going to start with is actually the Soul Bright by Angelus brand. I'm going to give you pros and cons of every one. So we're going to go through each one telling you, what's good, what's bad about it. Okay, starting out here, this isn't a bad soul sauce. I'm not going to say it's an amazing soul sauce, but it isn't bad. It does do the job. However, I've done a bunch of videos where I've compared it to other ones, and this always was at the bottom of the list. It didn't compare anywhere to any of these. So if you're looking for, I guess, it's about the same price as the Salon Care 40, maybe even a little bit more. If you're looking for a cheaper, I guess, alternative, you could use this. It will work. However, it will take longer sessions, and even after all those sessions, as far as my experience, I haven't had amazing results with it. I've had okay results, but not amazing. But to each their own. For some people, it works really good. I just wouldn't put this high on my list. So I guess the pros is it will work, and the cons is it's not gonna be as effective as some of these other ones. So if you're looking for an affordable one, you want to get it quick and get around Amazon, go with this. But I believe there's other better brands out there besides this one that will do a better job on the soles. So that's my review on Soul Bright. Let's go to Salon Care 40, okay? All reliable, that's what I call it, all reliable. Because obviously this isn't even made for sneakers, it's for hair care. But this is probably one of the best, for its price, one of the best soul sauces. It never goes wrong. I definitely highly recommend this one. The pros, obviously the price. The price is super cheap. You can get it in a lot of places. Amazon, you can get it from different hair salons, Sally's I think sells it. You can get this super cheap. Okay, I know this one I got maybe like $4, and it lasts a while. The cons with this one, I would say, is I've noticed that I have to do more sessions with this one, maybe like 1 or 2 more sessions, but for the most part, it's pretty identical to the other better brands. So I think the base thing is, because of the price, this is definitely one to go after, and I wouldn't go against it. Like this, if you want to start out ice and shoes, you don't need to get fancy and get other ones. I would definitely recommend starting with this one, the Salon Care 40. Okay, now on to the ice cream sauce, okay? This one, I will say, is my favorite out of all of these that I'm going through. The ice cream has been my favorite. This was the first soul sauce I got, so a little bit of a bias because it was the first one. But I have to say, it has never failed me. I have used it on, almost every shoe that I've done besides the ones that I've compared, and I promise you this thing works. And it doesn't take that many sessions. I mean, sometimes, depending on how yellow the shoes are, it only takes me like 1 to 2 sessions, and it's a really reliable soul sauce. I definitely wouldn't go against this. Pros, obviously, is probably one of the best at clearing up your soles and in a quicker time frame. Probably a session less than some of these other ones. Now, the negative, I would say, is there's really, as of right now, at the time of this video, there's only one place you can get it, which is on their website for Raleigh Restorations. And the other negative is it's a more expensive one. This is about $25 for this size. This is, I think, 8 ounces. Yeah, 8 ounces. It was about $25. Plus you gotta pay for shipping. With that being said, that's the negative about this is you gotta wait for the shipping. It's not gonna be as quick. However, this did come pretty quick. It only took about 4 or 5 days. And again, it's $25. Definitely one of the most expensive ones. That's something I would think of before getting it. However, you can't go wrong with this one. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever used. So, ice cream sauce. Okay, now going into the final one. Now again, these are only the sauces that I have used and I have tried out. There is other ones out there. I've had people ask me about faves. That's another one, I can't remember the name. A couple other ones. Some of you have your own that you want to send me. Feel free to send me one. I will do reviews and compare it to any of these that you guys want. And if you want that, put it in the comments down below. And then I can do more reviews and see how it compares to these other shoes. Okay, so right now though, I only have 4. CCK Sauce. This is the newest one I did. Chris Custom Kicks. Shout out to him too. Now, pros and cons of this one, okay? Pros, there's probably like 2 pros. One, smells pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why, but it smells good to me. It kind of smells like mint, even though it's probably more chemical, but it smells like mint. That's a pro, because these don't smell good, so I'll tell you that much. Those don't smell good. So the pro is that. The other pro is it does do the job. It definitely gets it pretty icy. And I would say it's definitely better than the Soul Bright, and about the same level as Salon Care 40, and maybe equal to ice cream, maybe a little bit less than ice cream. So if I had to put it like in a line, I'd put it probably like this being the worst, this being next in line here, and then ice cream. Now, I do have to say, okay, the cons is what keeps me away from this. I don't know the exact price, but I will put it right here in the video. This is how much it is. I know it's not as cheap as Salon Care 40 or even the Soul Bright, so that's a negative. Another negative is you have to get it on the website. It's not on Amazon or anything else as of the time of this video. And the last thing that is a big negative that I would probably stay away from is stains bad. So what I mean by that is, like, if you just get a little bit on your hand, which that's why if you read the directions, which I'm glad he put this, is that you got to wear gloves and stuff, because it will stain your hands. So I literally, a couple times I did it, got a little bit on my thumb, not much, just a little bit, and it was there. I mean, if I didn't like really try to scrub it out, it could have been there for weeks. Like it was bad, and it almost looks like you get like paint on your hand, and then you can't get it out. Like I scrubbed with everything. I looked up all these little things with baking soda and stuff like that, and I still couldn't get it out. So it took me a lot of time getting it out. That's a negative, especially if you're like, I don't really want to deal with gloves. I've gotten these on my hands and never had that problem. This was the only one I had that problem with. So that is one thing that kind of makes me stay away from this, because I'm like, I can get another product that doesn't do that and does the same thing for icing. Why would I go with something like this? So that's one negative. If there's a way they can fix that, then definitely this would be up higher on the list. But I'll say maybe this is a tie. Salon Care 40 and CCK. We'll put that together. But yeah, guys, that is all I have for you today. That is a review of all of these, from my favorite to my least favorite soul sauce, after doing, you know, a lot of videos on reviewing them and going and comparing how they ice shoes up. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, if you want to be icy, well, starts in the soul. I'm going to see you next time.